To begin, find a comfortable position, whether you are seated or lying down, whichever feels best for your body here today. Close your eyes gently and take a breath in through your nose, feeling the air fill your lungs, and exhale slowly through your mouth, letting go of any tension or stress with each breath that you take. Now begin to notice your breath. Do not change it at this time, simply notice it. Notice if it is shallow or if it is deep, if it resides in your chest or deep down in your belly. Now begin to deepen your breath, allowing your body to relax with each inhale and exhale. Inhaling, allowing your chest to rise, followed by your lower ribs and belly. And exhale, belly, lower ribs, and chest. Again, inhale, chest, lower ribs, and belly all expanding, holding for just a moment at the top. And exhale fully out of your mouth, belly, lower ribs, and chest. As you continue to breathe deeply, bring your attention to the present moment. Feel the weight of your body sinking into the surface beneath you. Allow any outside noises that you may become aware of to simply allow you to go deeper into your state of relaxation. Notice any sensations in your body without judgment. Simply observe and let them be. Now bring to mind something in your life that brings you pure joy. Whether it be a person in your life who radiates joy and opens your heart, or perhaps a pet, a good food that touches your soul and grounds you in your body and present moment whenever you have it. Perhaps it's a beautiful place that you go that centers you and aligns you with your true essence and spirit. Whatever it is that brings you joy and comes to mind is perfect. Take a moment to reflect on it now. Allowing your body to light up and expand with an aura of positive feelings and emotions that this joy-filled person, place, or event brings to your life. Now, if it feels right to you, reflect on the following idea. Someone, somewhere, is having the best day of their life today. Someone's hearing, "I love you" for the first time. Getting notified that the job of their dreams just hired them today. Someone received some kind of good news today that changed their life forevermore. What if today was your best day? What if you were hearing "I love you" for the first time? Getting notified that the job of your dreams has just hired you. What if today you receive great news that will change your life forevermore? Allow this thought of "what if" to resonate within you now, and imagine what that would look like. What does this best day look like for you? What does it feel like? Who are the players in this manifestation of this best day ever? Allow yourself to experience that moment now. Allow the joy and excitement to build within you, activating every cell in your body. Allow yourself to truly absorb the essence of these events. Consider the interconnectedness of humanity and the endless possibilities that each day holds. Feel a sense of gratitude for the joys and blessings experienced by others, knowing that the universe is abundant and ever-changing. With this awareness in mind, allow yourself to receive the following affirmation for today. I am open to receiving the blessings and opportunities that come my way. I trust in the unfolding of my journey, knowing that each moment carries a potential for greatness. I embrace the possibility of today being the best day of my life, and I move forward with optimism and purpose. Allow yourself to sit with these affirmations silently for just a moment, allowing its empowering energy to resonate within you. Feel a sense of alignment with your highest potential and the infinite possibilities that await. Now begin to take a few more deep breaths, inhaling positivity and exhaling any remaining tension or doubt, knowing that you are now set to manifest your best day ever. Inhale, chest, lower ribs, and belly all expanding, holding for just a moment at the top. And exhale fully out of your mouth, belly, lower ribs, and chest. Again, inhale, chest, lower ribs, and belly all expanding, holding for just a moment at the top. And exhale fully out of your mouth, belly, lower ribs, and chest. When you are ready, begin to gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Slowly open your eyes and allow yourself to be oriented into the present moment, carrying with you a renewed sense of clarity, focus, and purpose. If you enjoyed this meditation today, please consider giving it a like or subscribing or sharing with a friend. And until next time, I hope that you go forth and have the best day ever.